Hey YouTube, it's been a little while. So out here, I just took the Thomas out for a spin. Haven't done too much. I've done some cleanup in here, but so the front seats are stapled. The seat cushion bottoms are. This guy right here, like I mentioned in the previous video, was a high back seat, so it doesn't conform to the curve like the regular ones do. So I have the other one in the Thomas is also high back, so I will probably put those in the very back. So the holes in the floor got a little bit worse, so I put this down. This is leftover aluminum plate from when I did the shifter in the Thomas. I cut the hole too big for the main stick, so it's pretty thick stuff, so it's thicker than the stuff up front. So I still need to put stop arm in. I gotta clean this out because I've got stuff coming here probably in a month, seats and stuff for the for the rest of the red seats. The rest of them should be here, so all the greens are going away and it's all going to be red, look nice. So even the separators here, I did, if you noticed when I was walking back there, the no more of those red LEDs are back there, so I have actually excuse me, I have all the red LEDs in, and the yellows too. So the only problem is these LEDs have a little 8-pin IC chip on them, and so to make them not strobe, I soldered a jumper between two parts of the chip, and the right one is strobing again, so the little jumper wire broke off, so I got to go in and resolder that. And I actually brought my soldering iron today, but I forgot to bring the extension cord, so but that's okay. It's starting to rain anyway, so it does look kind of funny with strobing red LED. But so the ambers look really good though. They look really, really good. Go in here. Here we got the ambers running, so I'll jump out the back door so you can see the ambers from the rear and the front. This one still buzzes. There we go. That's that LED bulb. Those things are, even during the day, they're really bright. Like if you look, they're not, as you see them kind of go out, you can see it doesn't take up the whole lens, but it sure lights the lens up good. So there we go. So now I can put a show me flasher in the Bluebird because I have all LED warning lights. So she's looking good. The Thomas, I think what I'm gonna do, I'm waiting to see, but because these bus boys, they vibrate so much, they bounce, and it bounces the whole front end at high speed on the freeway. So I'm really thinking about reverting it back to tripods like it was before. I know you young people love the bus boys because they're newer, but it's, I don't know. I mean, the bus boys were never made for the S series, so yeah, you can see it's raining pretty good. So, but yeah, putting the warning lights back here was fun. I'll have to do an outline video of how I did it because the initial red warning light that I did do used the original bases that those LEDs came in, and I didn't do that this go around. I actually made a bracket to go in the Weldon lights. So there's my other tripod for this, so I can have these are called bells, so they hold up to the hood better. But yeah, as you can see, these red seats just turned out amazing. And I actually have another idea. Let me turn the warning lights off. Since my side panels here have rust up here by the window line, they made a padded piece that went under the window line here that you would put on here to keep, you know, just to dress it up a little bit. And those are really hard to find. So what I was thinking about doing was getting a piece of 1x4. 1x4 plank is about 3/4 of an inch thick, so it's probably about as thick as that. And putting it on the wall here and staining it. I think if I used a red stain, like a redwood stain, it would go really good with the burgundy seats. Even a light stain would go good too, like the color of the broom, that light wood color. I don't know yet. It's a thought, so we'll have to see. I know I've got some new header pads coming, because these are, I mean, if you look at, I can't even dent it. The foam is so hard in there. You know, that's not a header pad. The ones in the Thomas are soft. So I've got new padding coming. So, but that's all I have for now. So thanks for watching, guys. Oh yeah, that's right. I don't know if I showed you in the last video. I did put the quadrostat shifter back in, because the newer style one just, yeah, I mean, it looks good. It's a lot cleaner, but I can get this guy right here replaced for cheap. And the quadrostat is what these things came with. They didn't come with that. The other one's a Felstead shifter. And that's what the 90s models came with, not the 80s. So, you know, and it looks good, even with everything lit up. So, but that's it for now. So, thanks everybody for watching, and until next time, we'll hopefully I'll do another video before everybody comes out with, you know, the parts they're bringing me, but we'll see. If not, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.